Making a clean break. Navigating changes in life and relationships. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, making a clean break. This expression is often used in conversations, and understanding its nuances can greatly enhance your English comprehension and communication skills. So, let's explore what it means to make a clean break, its various contexts, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. The phrase, making a clean break, refers to the act of ending a relationship, situation, or habit definitively and completely, without any intention of returning or revisiting it. The key here is the completeness of the separation. It's not just about ending something, but doing so in a way that leaves no loose ends or lingering connections. Making a clean break can be used in a variety of contexts, each carrying its own emotional and situational weight. Let's look at some examples. Personal relationships. When someone decides to end a romantic relationship or friendship in a clear and uncomplicated manner, ensuring there are no mixed feelings or chances of getting back together. Professional life. Leaving a job or a career path for a completely new direction, with no plans of returning to the old profession. Habits and behaviors. Quitting a bad habit, such as smoking or procrastination, with a firm decision and action plan to not fall back into the same patterns. Making a clean break is easier said than done. It requires determination, clarity, and often, a bit of courage. Here are some tips. Communicate clearly. Whether it's with a person or about a habit, clear communication about your intentions is crucial. Set firm boundaries. Establish and maintain clear boundaries to support your decision. Seek support. Rely on friends, family, or professionals who can provide advice and emotional support during this transition. To better understand how to use making a clean break in conversation, here are a few examples. After years of on and off dating, she decided it was time for making a clean break from the relationship. He's making a clean break from his corporate job to start his own business. She realized that making a clean break from her unhealthy eating habits was necessary for her well-being. We hope this video helps you grasp the meaning and use of making a clean break in English. It's a powerful expression that conveys a strong decision to leave something behind and move forward in life. Remember, making a clean break is a significant step toward new beginnings and growth. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.